Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Moto Edge 60 Fusion is updated and unlocked. You'll open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Data Usage to confirm mobile data tracking is enabled. Once done, pull down the notification shade and enter Quick Settings Edit mode by tapping the pencil or edit icon. This lets you add or reorder tiles. Make sure you have at least one spare space for a custom tile so the data usage indicator can appear. Now you'll place the data usage or traffic tile into your active quick settings. Tap Edit, locate the tile named Data Usage, Traffic, or similar, then drag it into an active slot. This creates a persistent visual in the notification area. Once positioned, exit Edit mode and toggle Mobile Data to generate usage samples. You should now see a running data figure or graph when you pull down notifications. This shows real-time or recent use. Finish by granting any background permission that the settings or network app requests so usage updates continuously. If the tile appears but shows no values, restart your phone to force the service to refresh. Make sure mobile data is active and the carrier profile allows reporting. Otherwise, the indicator won't populate. If it still fails, clear settings cache or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up. This fixes persistent system tile issues in rare cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.